Hey guys, welcome to another session with Bilal, the data guy. In today's session, we will talk about what are the prime differences between data science and data analytics and which career option is the best choice for you. And before we delve down deep into it, I really want to tell that all of these opinions are my own and there are not a set of rules which you should apply. It's rather just some feedback which I've noticed from my 5 years experience in working in US and also studying in America. So, okay, let's start doing this. So, usually data science, it's more of a technical role and it usually needs some sort of degree or training. And when I say degree or training, I mean maybe a bachelor's degree. Usually data scientists who I know, they probably have advanced degrees, like they would have a master's in data analytics or they would have a PhD in statistics or physics or even computer science. So in data science, it's a very advanced field. You need programming skills, you need math and statistics. You probably need business skills as well, not to mention communication. In my opinion, business skills and communication skills are a little bit different because business skills are those skills where you actually understand what the business is doing, whereas communication is something you know how to talk to engineers, you can talk technical knowledge into non-technical knowledge, understand the both dimensions, and you're able to effectively communicate your thoughts and processes in very simple, efficient manner. And I think in data science, you also need to be very proficient in cloud. It can be AWS or GCP, which is the Google Cloud Platform, or Microsoft Azure. I'm not saying this is must, but usually data scientists, they do work on the cloud. And most importantly, the work which people do in data science are they build models, right? They build models, they try to predict what can happen in the future, what happened in the past, and how can I predict something. So when I say build model, it usually means predictive modeling, right? And they also do reporting. I know many people would probably hate this, like why do data scientists report? But there are some companies who use data scientists to also use for reporting, for Tableau and powerbi, etc. So I think, and of course, they do experimentation. If my handwriting is very bad, I apologize. And they also do A/B testing. And now, so you can probably tell that data science people are sort of like an all-rounder, like they have bits and pieces of various skills and departments, and that is how this field is. So it's probably much difficult to get into data science because you need experience, you need training, and you need all of these skills. Without these skills, you cannot enter into data science. And when we come over here, right, when we come over in data analytics, so you don't really need a degree for data analytics. You don't need any degree. You might need some training, yes. You need business skills, communication, you need some programming skills. And programming, when I say programming, you should know SQL. SQL is very much to be in this field. SQL or Python. These will be the programming languages. And data analytics folks do a lot of reporting, right? So you need either Tableau or Power BI, as I've discussed in my previous video, or maybe Google Data Studio, right? I think some people also use Click, but I've never worked with it, so I don't really know. And also in data analytics, you don't need to build models, right? You don't need to build models. It's not something which is required for a data analyst to do. And you don't need to build models, you don't need to do advanced stuff. You might do some automation. And when I say automation, it means that, for example, you're writing some queries in SQL, and let's just say like there's a sales database, and you come daily to office and you try to search, okay, what were the sales which were made in the previous day. So you can write a Python script using SQL, where in the Python script you would also write SQL, but you would just run that script on every day and it would generate results from the database. So that is what I think are some of the differences between data analytics. It's probably data analytics, in my opinion, is easier to enter as compared to data science. You can transition, I think, very easily to data science if you build up more skills under your belt. And obviously, I think it's much easier for a person who's working in data science to move into data analytics. This transition from data analytics to data science can be, I'm not saying it's easy, it's doable, but definitely coming from data science to data analytics, it's much easier as compared to coming from data analytics to data science. So these are the prime, you can say, the differences between data science and data analytics. I also want to tell about what sort of roles, what sort of job titles, which who somebody can be in these two fields. My board is sort of small, so I've ran out of space. But typically in data science, roles will be obviously data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, artificial intelligence programmer, something, I think deep learning engineer would also come over here. I think in data analytics, obviously data analyst, business analyst, operations analyst, marketing analyst. So the fun thing about data analytics is that even if you're someone who doesn't know programming and you're like a person who's in sales and marketing, you can probably enter into data analytics much easier, because we analyze data every day, whether you agree or not, whether you're scrolling, whether you're working, whatever. You're using data and you're doing data work even without realizing. So doing data analytics work is much easier and as compared to data science. So it's you can probably do this in a much quicker way if you work hard, and also if you become a little bit smart and you want to experiment between different tools and skill sets. So this is it for today. If you guys have any questions, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you think this is helpful, and if you have any suggestions or any questions, please reach out to me via my email, write them onto the YouTube, and also reach out to me on Instagram. Have a good day. Bye bye.